You ever notice how the moment someone yawns, you suddenly feel sleepy too? Most people think it's just being tired, but you've never heard why this really
Hmm.
happens. Yawning is contagious, but not because you need sleep. It's your brain's mirror neurons kicking in. These neurons help you feel what others feel, like empathy or boredom. So when you see someone yawn, your brain copies it automatically. But get this, even dogs do it when they see their owners yawn. And chimps, same thing. Therefore, yawning might be a social bonding tool, wired deep into evolution. Think you're immune? Try not yawning in the next 10 seconds.
Oh.
Still with me? But here's the twist. Only 60 to 70% of people catch yawns. So if you don't, you might actually lack some empathy signals.